Welcome to the assembly instructions video for the Java Tricycle by DANDLES. Inside the Tricycle box, you'll find the main body, a front wheel handle, 2 rear wheels wheel covers, an exhaust, and an axle rod. Step 1. Start by removing the quarter pin from the axle rod, as demonstrated in the video. Step 2. Insert the axle rod through the designated slots. Slide on the extension caps on both ends of the axle rod. Step 3. Place the 2 rear wheels on each end of the axle rod. Secure the wheels by twisting the quarter pin to lock them in position. Step 4. Attach the wheel caps by snapping them into place over the wheels. Step 5. Remove the shoes from both sides. Step 6. Place the removed fitting on the exhaust. And fix the exhaust at its place as shown in the video. Step 7. Take the front panel of the tricycle and open the battery compartment with a screwdriver. Insert batteries into the compartment. Then close the cover and screw it back into place. Step 8. Align the front handlebar in its position. Then take the bolt that was removed earlier and insert it into the appropriate slot. Tighten the bolt firmly. And there you have it. Your Java trike is now fully assembled and ready for your little one to enjoy their new ride.